Well, here we are at the beginning of a new school week. It is still the month of January, but if you look at the calendar, you'll see it is the last week of January. So we're almost done with January. Let's go ahead and add our date. The date is the 25th today, the 25th. And I don't even know if we've got almost all through this month. And I don't know if I've mentioned that there is a pattern on our calendar, right? Did you notice that there was hat, mitten, mitten? So it's an A-B pattern, or some of you may have noticed it was pink, purple, another A-B pattern. But it is January the 25th today, and it's 2021. So taking a look at that 25, follow it straight up the calendar. It is Monday. Oh, another Monday. Here we go. Today is Monday. Let's hop backwards to find out what yesterday was. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday, one of the days of the weekend, right? Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Sunday, Monday. Tomorrow will be Terrific Tuesday. All right. We were at 101 days of school, 101 days of school. And so now today, that would make today 102 days of school. So we'll just add another single block. Super easy to count it right now, right? So we have this 100s cube that represents 100s, and then two singles, 102 days of school. 102 has 1 in the 100s place, 0 tens. We don't have any of those long tens, and 2 ones. Something a little different today for our story problem. Here it is. Okay, the first time I was playing the game, I rolled a 5. So I am on the 5th space. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. I rolled a 5. So I hopped to the 5th space. Now I rolled a 2. Where will I end up? What space will I end up on in my game? So you're pretending like you're playing a game and you're hopping 2 spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 2. So first I rolled a 5, then I rolled a 2. So what space would I be on in that game? That's the missing number. So what is 5 and 2 more? And I've added on the number line those jumping spaces, 2 jumping spaces. So I started on 5 because that was my first roll, and then I jumped 2 more spaces. So jump 1, jump 2. Where did I land? On the 7. I landed on the 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Go ahead and read that number sentence with me. 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right. Still working on number bonds, part, whole. We're looking at number 15 today, 15. Now, when we're looking at 15, we know that we have 1 full 10 frame. So we have 10, and then how many extra ones with 15? Take a look at it because it's telling you, hey, I'm in the ones place, so there are 5 extra ones. So 15 is a 10 with 5 extra ones. Or we could say that 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 and 5 more is 15. Let's make tens. All right, today when we're making 10, this one's pretty easy, right? How many red counters do you see? You see 9. Almost all of them are red counters, and there's only one yellow counter. So we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. What's that sign? Plus sign. What's this one? Equal sign. Yeah, we better get pretty good at plus because I heard a rumor that in February we would start subtraction. So we better be pretty good at addition. Let's go ahead. And we won't count to 100 today. We're going to do something different with skip counting, actually. So we're going to count by 2s, and I've added pairs of eyeballs to count by 2s since we all have 2 eyes. So I know that in the video that you saw last week, there was skip counting by 2s. So when you skip count by 2s, you do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I wanted to show that to you on the 100s chart. So 2, and you skip 3, but you land on 4. So you're every other number when you're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Go down to the next row, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's how you count by twos. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And hey, let's count these toes by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I'll include a skip counting video at the end of calendar today so that you can have some more practice with our new skill of counting by twos.